Hello, welcome to Destin Kitchen. Today I am making a fascinating cauliflower recipe. Nobody will believe that these meatballs are made of cauliflower. Start by cutting off the cauliflower leaves. Then simply cut the cauliflower into small pieces. Perfect for a healthy dinner or as a fun twist on a classic dish. This recipe is sure to become a family favorite. Add 3 teaspoons of salt to boiling water. Put the cauliflower pieces into the boiling water and let them boil for around 10 minutes. Check the cauliflower with a fork. If it's soft, remove it from the water and let it cool. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of dried mint. Mash the cauliflower with a masher until it's smooth. Add almost 1 cup of breadcrumbs. Add 2 eggs. Mix everything until all the ingredients are well combined. Shape the mixture into meatball shapes and place them on a parchment paper lined baking tray. Keep in mind, like with every recipe, there are tons of variation that make this delicious. You can always adjust it to your taste. Pour some sunflower oil over the cauliflower balls. Bake them in a preheated oven at 200 Celsius for 45 minutes. And there you have it, delicious baked cauliflower balls are ready. You can serve them with rice. I really hope you enjoy it as much as me and my family do. Enjoy your cauliflower balls. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Destin Kitchen.